Guys, quick tip here.
Talk
Now,
loud.
everybody's been climbing all summer long with their, if you're using DRT and you've been using your rope, um, a lot of guys are asking questions, what do you do with the rope when you're up there? And, Joe and I were talking about how, once we get up to height, we pull the excess up, store it in our pack. You don't want to leave it down the bottom of your tree. Number one, it's swinging in the wind but even if you're leaving scent on it, especially if you're climbing all summer long on this, 80, 90, 100 degrees, you've been sweating like hell. This becomes a giant scent wick. So one of the things I want to do, once we're getting down to the nitty gritty, we're really closing in on the season, take your rope, put it in a 5-gallon bucket, just drop it in there with your favorite scent spray, whatever, dead downwind, whatever laundry detergent you want to use. Fill the bucket up with warm water, throw it in there, and just let it soak for a while. And then once you're done with that, take it out, put it on your driveway or even in your lawn. Just spread the whole rope out, let it dry nice and evenly, and that'll take care of it. That'll de-scent it, and you're good to go. Good luck, man.